Okay, so Saturday morning here now when I'm heading out on a bike ride, so come on, let's go. Yeah, right. Alright here guys, just another great day for a bike ride. Feel nice and cool from all the excessive heat that we had. Anyway, it's early. So before the heat started up again, I'm gonna get done. It's an awesome day for a bike ride. Beautiful weather. You know, it's not too hot. Even though we had a high heat warning early this morning, it's not that bad at all. It's great for a bike ride. Alright, while I'm here, I'm gonna acknowledge my brother Andy, my brother Terry. You know, you guys have to stay fit. You cannot give up on me now. And now for my boys, Ryan Nazir. Look at this. Ricardo Nazir and Randy Nazir. Hope you guys are working out, staying fit for me, alright? Have a competition going on. I want to say hello to my cousin Rashad Mohammed down there in Florida. Because, you see what I'm doing? Troy. What's going on here, Trevor? David? Yeah, I gotta get up, you know. You gotta get up and do this. Troy, you're telling me you're gonna do it? I haven't seen you do anything yet. David, but you said you're working out. I don't know. You can tell me anything. Trevor, well, you didn't say anything, so I don't know what's happening. Your fitness is very important for your overall health. Whatever you do, don't give up on yourself. There's a lot of us, when we get to a certain age, we think, oh, that's it. Exercising is not for me. I'm going to just eat healthy. No, it doesn't work that way. Eating healthy is good, yeah, but you have to move. If we don't, we're going to leave ourselves up. That's when all the pains and aches is going to take over. You don't want that to happen. So we need to mobilize ourselves. I'm an outdoor person. I prefer to be out here riding a bicycle for an hour and a half, 2 hours, 3 hours, sometimes 4 hours. But being inside for half an hour, man, that's stressful. Just being there, I can't do it. I like to be outside. If you don't see me hunting, camping, fishing, riding motorbike, riding bicycle like I'm doing here right now, I mean, that's just me. It's all about your health and wellness. So, you know, a lot of us want money. Yeah, it's good. But your health is more important. Think of it having a ton of money and you don't have the health to spend it. What do you think is going to happen? to take it home now. Alright, so I'm back home from a cool 20 miles bike ride. Yeah, it took 1 hour 19 minutes, an average of 15.3 miles an hour, which is excellent. I did a max speed of 27.5 miles an hour, which is awesome. So once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep up on your fitness. Alright, so join me on my next ride. Take care.